So welcome back to Electric Vehicle channel, my dear friends. I'm Krishnendra Mandela. Today we have Tunwal TZ electric bike. This is the first electric bike from Tunwal company. So let's check the complete review of this electric bike, because this bike will launch in the market in the next month. In January 2001. This bike will be available in the market. So let's see the complete features of this Tunwal TZ electric bike and the performance of it. So let's start with the design of this electric bike. I think something very familiar with the petrol bikes. I think especially the headlight. If you see this part, it is somewhat similar to Honda bikes, and people will easily identify this bike and the design mostly like that. And also at the lower part of this electric scooter, there you can see two shock absorbers here, which is the telescopic suspension, and it is guarded with some plastic. And also there is a mud guard for this the front side of this scooter. And coming to the build quality of this electric bike, I can see this is mostly made with metal only. So the mud guards, I guess it seemed to be metal only. Even this is also seemed to be metal, and this body also made with metal. You can hear the sound. And I think this is actually made with plastic, the fiber plastic, and the side part of it, whereas this trunk part is made with the metal, and the below part is also, see, you can see it is fiber plastic only. And the back side there is a mudguard also. I think this is also fiber plastic. It is like a combination of both plastic and metal, like 50:50 ratio of this body of this electric bike. And this bike is available in multiple colors. Right now it is white color, and it is also available in black color also. I think they will give multiple color options like red and blue also. We are not sure about it, but right now it is available in white and black as far as the showroom availability of these bikes. So now coming to the front part of this electric bike, you can see there is a telescopic suspension here, and below it there is a mudguard here, whereas the tires are tubeless tires here. You can see, and the wheels are alloy wheels, I guess. It comes with disc brake, and also it comes with ABS, anti-lock braking system. So it's for safety purpose of braking. So they have given this ABS option also on this electric bike. So whereas on the back side of this electric bike, it comes with dual shock absorbers. Here you can see there is a dual shock absorbers are there. I think these seems like to be open kind of shock absorbers. And below that there you can see a motor on the back side, whereas the braking system is also disc brakes. So this electric bike equipped with both disc brakes on the front side and the rear side as well. Both are disc brakes only. So now coming to the lighting of this electric bike, Tunwal TZ electric bike, the headlight is LED light, whereas the side light indicators are yellow lights. Here you can see the side light indicators of this electric bike. And also on the back side also you will get two side light indicators, and on the back side there is a tail light, and it is yellow light. So these are the complete details about this Tunwal TZ electric bike. So now coming to the electric bike features, there you will get a remote key for this to operate this electric bike. And here you can see remote lock and unlock of this electric scooter, and also there is a power button also. So you can on this electric bike using this key, and also there is a Find My Scooter option. If you click this, it will continuously do the sounds. So which means so with this button you can identify if you park somewhere this electric bike in kind of theater or somewhere any parking area. If there are so many vehicles, if you press this button, you can easily identify with the sound. So these are the smart features of this electric bike. So coming to the dashboard of this electric bike, there is a digital dashboard here. It is in small size dashboard, and the dashboard size is small only, where you can see the speed, range, and battery percentage. Only you can see the three things here, which is the speed of this electric bike when you are riding, and also the battery percentage, and also the odometer, how much distance you have traveled on this electric bike. So on the front part of this electric scooter, people will think that it's a kind of petrol bike, but actually it is not a petrol bike. Just like a conventional vehicle, they have given this fuel tank kind of look. But when I actually open this trunk, it's some kind of just like a petrol vehicle, like there is a fuel pipe, right? For that part, the same part is here. If you can see in the video also, it is clearly seems to be very familiar kind of a petrol tank, but in reality is not works with any petrol. But just for the feel of a conventional vehicle, they have given this kind of look. But I thought they could have given some kind of boot space on this vehicle, instead of this unwanted usage, like they can't use this space anyway, but if they can use this space, some kind of boot will be given. So that's my opinion. Now coming to the seating of this electric scooter, seem to be curved kind of thing. So you can see the curved shape here, the seat, and the seat is wide, but I need to check the comfort levels of the scooter while I test ride this vehicle. Then I can make a point like whether it is comfortable or not, because it seem to be there is a curve and there is a slope here. This is a wide seating here, and also this bike comes with leg guards for protection. If someone unable to control this bike and they fall down, so there is a protection for leg guard also. So nothing will happen this vehicle if someone unable to control this vehicle. If someone try this vehicle or unable to control also, they fall down also, there is a mud guard here for the support. So these are the complete details of the Tunwal TZ electric bike. So let's see the specifications of Tunwal TZ electric bike. The top speed of this electric bike is 60 km per hour. It can run with a top speed of 60 kph.
Whereas the motor capacity is 3 kilowatt. It is fitted on the back side.
And also the range is 100 to 120 kilometers. That's what the company claimed range. It is 100 to 120 kilometer range, and the charging time is 3 to 4 hours.
And the battery capacity is 2.88 kilowatt hour. It is a lithium ion battery pack.
So with that battery pack, the claimed range is up to 100 to 120 kilometer range. That's the claimed range of Tunwal TZ electric bike. So this battery pack of Tunwal TZ electric bike can be removable, and it is a detachable battery. So let's see how can we detach this electric vehicle battery. So this is the part where the battery is fitted. So you just need to put this key here. So this is how you need to open this battery pack, and you can detach this battery and you can charge it. This is the charging port here, and with the charger you can charge this electric bike. So you can comfortably take this battery pack if you are living in a apartment also. So this is how you can unlock this battery pack. So they have given 2 footrests. So while riding on this bike, they don't need to feel any discomfort. They can simply concentrate on the ride while riding on this bike, because they have given 2 footrests for this for the comfort level of the rider. On the left part of this electric scooter, there is a metal body, and this body is used to put any kind of luggage, and this part also can be used as a footrest for the pillion. And whereas if you use this metal, and you can keep any kind of luggage, a small luggage or kind of any bags also with this this part. You can watch this in the video. So I will test ride this TZ electric bike on the road, and I will share the experience of the test ride of Tunwal TZ electric bike. So let's test ride this Tunwal TZ electric bike and see the performance of this on road. So right now I am riding this bike in first mode. So in the first mode, the top speed is up to 33 kph. I am riding with a pillion. So let's move to the second mode. We hit a top speed of 55 kph in the third mode. The scooter top speed is claimed as 60 kph, but in the third mode we are reaching a speed of up to 55 kph. So in the second mode the top speed is reaching up to 46 kph. So now coming to the controlling of this electric bike. So just like a petrol bike, the controlling is fine, and also I am riding with a pillion also. So whereas the seat comfort is also fine, but whereas the dashboard visibility is a little dull compared to that. I think it can be a little more brighter. but in the night time it is okay, but in the sunlight during that time it should be a little bright. That's what I feel. Whereas the acceleration part also, sometimes it is not accurate acceleration. Sometimes it in a petrol vehicle, when you accelerate, it gives a steady acceleration. But this bike, it's somewhat high acceleration. When you give it the initial level, the torque is high. So that thing people need to understand. Like when you are riding this electric bike for the first time, you need to get adjusted for this. Once you ride this for at least 5 to 10 minutes, then you come to understand about this 12 diesel electric bike. And the braking also fine. The disc brake braking also fine. The action is good. And the ABS action, you can feel it, the anti-lock braking system. Moreover, you don't hear any noise in this electric bike. It's so silent. So just now I finished the test ride of Tunwal TZ electric bike. So here is my final overall point on this Tunwal TZ electric bike. So starting from the stability factor, is just like a petrol vehicle. When you are riding on a petrol bike, just like whatever the controlling everything is the same way. You don't find much difference in this bike. But when you are accelerating the bike, you will find it different when you compare with a petrol vehicle and this Tunwal TZ electric bike. The initial stage of the acceleration, the torque is high, so people need to understand this a little bit. So they need to test ride this vehicle for at least 5 to 10 minutes so that they will understand how much they need to accelerate and all. So the pickup levels also average. You can say it's not too great, but once it reaching that maximum power, and it is performing fine with that. And also the dashboard visibility is also fine. There is a problem with this vehicle because it is a tested vehicle. That's why the visibilities are not showing well. But they are saying that in the final vehicle, the complete dashboard will have the more visibility. I mean, what are the brightness levels are fine. That's what they said. And on the dashboard, you can see the speed, odometer, and the battery percentage. So coming to the ride performance, there are 2 footrests for the rider. So he will mostly focus on the test ride. So he will mostly focus on the riding of this electric scooter because there are 2 footrest rides. So they can simply put their legs and they can feel the electric bike. And the controlling, it comes with ABS for braking. Both are disc brakes only. So when you are accelerating the bike and if you suddenly want to stop the vehicle, you can press the brake. And because of the ABS, the safety features also fine. And the seat comfort is also okay with this electric bike. Even with the pillion also, they are okay with this Tunwal TZ electric bike. So finally, the price of this Tunwal TZ electric bike is 1,05,000 rupees ex-showroom, whereas the on-road price will be around 1,10,000 rupees. It comes with a 3-year warranty for battery pack and 1-year warranty for the motor, and it will be available in the market in Jan 2021. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.